The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a front bench seat, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.